So here we got a question on the required practicals on microscopes. So what we have here are two images and there's something wrong with both images. It says in the question that both images have cells which are not clear to see. And it's asking you, how should we adjust the microscope to see the cells more clearly? So each one has a different problem. So slide A, you can see that the cells are slightly out of focus, they're blurry, so it needs to be focused more. How do we focus it on a microscope? We need to use one of the focusing knobs. So the answer here is turn the focusing knob to focus on the cells. The second one, slide B, you can see the cells, but it's very zoomed out. We need to zoom in more into this picture. So how do we do that? Well, remember, we also have objective lenses. We have 3 objective lenses on a microscope. So what we can do is we can rotate the objective lens to a higher magnification to zoom in. That's how we get 2 marks here. You mentioned both of those points. So first point is to say, rotate the objective lens. And for the second mark, you say to a higher magnification. And that's it.